Yeah, that works. All right. Finally, early this time. Kind of. This is kind of late. Not gonna lie. Well, good morning. Let's hope today will be a good day to trade. I don't know why, but this thing keeps getting disconnected. Uh, give me Naz. There. All right. So this was yesterday's candle. So it looked like it tried to sell, but it looks like it was brought back in the afternoon. Um, this could be possibly another bullish day. So, or maybe try to sell off again. Who knows? Maybe I'll try to fill this gap. I'll quickly do something.
What's up, friends? Good morning and welcome to the show. My name is Matt, as you all may know. Hi, I'm Adam, Future Trader. Getting prepped for the day. Random Trading Challenge continues, day number 3. Random Trading Challenge in which ChatGPT chooses a time for me to trade. I don't choose the time, they choose the time. Then I have to use my best judgment at that moment in time to make a trade. 100,000 real dollars, real account, full transparency, everything shown. And we'll see how that turns out. Just to prove the risk management will keep you from blowing up even without a trading strategy. Hello. Looks like overnight rallied up a little bit. Bump again, 68.96, yellow line S&P. Feels like the buy programs are turned back on. Market's going to go up. Feels like it's going to go up. The candles just pushed higher, 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 higher all night. Good to see. Like seeing that bull market back. Yesterday's dip buy was really nice on that long. Second here. Big Sever Triple B again. Is it? Is it? I haven't even looked yet. Hopefully, I want to see it below. We are below. Friends, don't forget to smash the like button. Getting prepped and ready to go for today's sesh as always. I have just this weird feeling about this V-up that we had on Friday. That we shouldn't make like more of a W-shaped bottoming type process rather than a rally straight back up. But we should see. All data looks nice, looks clean. Friends, hello. Who are you again? My name is Matt. Ski Bum, David Merle, Fraser, Trady, Flint Lockwood, Crypto Gains, Nathan, Ian, Randoms, Hypno, Aid, Urahara, Trady, Julian, Jamel, say hi, good morning, y'all. What's up? Albert Camus, excellent, excellent. I like that name. Author, Walkspart, Hibitha, Brandon Allison, Eddie, Tilsty, and everyone else. Good morning, Scalper. Let's hope it's an easy VLU market, right? Hopefully so. Hopefully so. Hopefully something easy today, right? Let's see. 10K static ETF. That's the new thing. Oh, cool. Cool. One second, I'm getting caught up with all my stuff for today. like something that fits.
All right.
The tags. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Sorry about that. I was just figuring out something. Try to get music like for the background, but it just does not work. I don't know why.
That works. Alrighty. Welcome, friends, to the show. Don't forget to smash the like button. We'll be started in just a second here. We are
I got 30 minutes till market opens.
pressing higher, 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 higher today. Pre-market. That's good. I hate when it does this, though, pre-market, because then we lose the dip to buy. Market starts. Um, mm. We do a big giveaway today. If we get our numbers up to the highest that they need to be, we'll do if we get to 750 viewers today, I'm feeling happy. I'll give away 10 Tradeify straight to fundeds. We're at 1,500 viewers today. So starting at 12, we'll give away an ETF end of the day, as we always do. 1350, we'll give 5 more My Fund Future Scale. 1500, we'll give 5 Rapid accounts, and 750, we'll give 10 Tradeify straight to funded accounts for a total of 21 accounts given away on our stream today. All right, let's look at the dynamics up on the screen. Don't even have them marked on here. 25,578 NASDAQ. 35,682. S&P is 6843. Very interesting that we didn't even. I guess coming out of the holiday, I figured that the holiday was the reason we were trying to sell was like, essentially that was the real sentiment, and then just post-holiday we just kind of reset back to where we wanted to be. So I didn't think we'd actually keep going to higher highs. The market did feel like it was trying to sort of stabilize in the middle for earnings, but we'll see what we get, right? Let's do the infamous dice roll. ChatGPT, make the random trade. Random trading challenge is I'm going to trade with ChatGPT choosing a random 15-minute interval at random times throughout the day, random amounts of trades throughout the day. I'm forced to make a trade at the time. I must make a 1 E-mini trade at minimum. I can add to the position. I can subtract to the position, but I must maintain the entire position to full stop or full profit target 1-to-1 minimum, and I will still make money not being able to wait for my A+ setups to show that even with a, I don't know, 50% win rate, something random and average, I'll still make money. Hopefully. Between now, which is between 9:30, So the first trade must be made within the first hour. (9:30 and 10:30 EST).
What's up, players? It's your favorite black creator. Well, that's probably going to get old very quickly. We're back again with another video. The fourth one now. God, I'm on a roll. The fourth episode of Not Everyone Needs a Podcast.
It's your birthday month.
If you will.
Happy birthday, brother.
We're doing some fancy dress today.
44 to 959. All right, so today's time.
The muscle fit twinge
The
to
random
it, so
trade.
you guys
Oh, I
can see
forgot
that
to switch this out to Fendon next. Oh,
I've
well.
lifted a weight or two in my time.
9:44. 14 minutes at the
But
market
today,
opens
I'm
to
pretty hashtag hyped because we're going to be reacting
9:59.
to everyone's
Perfect.
favorite alpha male, or should I say,
That market developed a
alpha
little bit. I got to jump in.
salesman.
Says 2 days in a row
Andy
it
Elliott.
hasn't had me trade at the open, which is interesting. Derek Rodino, welcome to the Cadet Squad. Happy birthday, November 16th. Birthdays, all of you guys. Scorpios in the house.
Take your shirt off.
We are very close. I'm on the edge of
See, if you
Libra and
thought King
Scorpio.
Azule was a man of many tales, this guy
Let's go.
is a man of
All right,
many
so today,
sales.
analyzing this.
Wordplay, brilliant. Stay tuned for more of that. If you're not familiar with Mr. Elliott's work, this is a man
Overnight
with
move.
a deep, deep passion for
Just a
car
little bit of
sales,
continuation
taking
off
other
of
men's shirts
the big
off,
selling pressure we had at VDUP.
steroids,
We've seen this
and
before.
Probably his wife, I don't know. He is just
Plenty of
one
times, Trump
many
trade
bold
war
men that have
stuff
decided in their infinite
causes a
wisdom
little
that it's
turbulence
their
in the
duty
market.
to coach
It
the
just gets
public.
lower,
Like
and
this.
then resets
That's
to
sort
the
of what
middle.
I'm aiming for. I
You
feel
can
like. I
almost
don't know what
see it
overall
like
you consider as,
bouncing
job
like a
title to me. I
trampoline.
think just general motivator. I think
So
the focus is
any
car
move
sales,
back
you know?
up
A
is
car
not likely to
salesman
be
and then
strong
life
like
coach
this.
and
It's
like
likely to just roll back up
PT. I
slowly.
feel like he's
And that's probably what we're going to see with VIX below Triple B, just rolling up slowly. See, I'm drawing, rolling.
Okay, how many
So,
cars
you know,
do
you
sell
have
now?
this sort of like trending, sort of
Okay, can
trend
you sell 40 cars a
line-ish.
month?
You can draw,
not
I see
selling 40
trends,
cars a
you say the word trend lines, but you can see that the market's just kind of
sell 40 cars. Could you sell 40?
driving up at like a slope like this.
Dude, my family was on the line. I'd
Any
sell 40.
dips along that slope, I'll probably
would deliver
be
40,
buying,
alright?
maybe red lines and such.
I need his back against the
And when
wall.
do we have
like
that other move like this?
Okay, right.
Imagine like
Nah.
forget that we had like the big crash in this
Yes,
W right
this
here.
is a classic
Imagine
sales
like we
tactic, guys. It's
crashed
the worst case
and
scenario.
then made it
We like to call
right
it the
back up to the
hostage
middle. It's
situation,
gonna
okay?
roll a little bit before it picks up
Anything it
momentum
takes
and
to
then
close
keep
that
going.
deal. I don't care what laws you
let's
have
do
to
like
break,
that.
as long as you close the
Markets usually don't forget
Guys, I need
sell-offs.
Jason's back
Even this
against the
one,
wall
right?
like
We
that,
just
okay?
fall,
So you know what I've done? You know what I've done.
right
I've
to the middle,
kidnapped his
and then
family.
it just kind of rolls.
Bring him in, bring him in.
Right, we are kind of back into bull
I
territory,
love this
so
bit. I do
buying
love this
dips
bit.
is the way to go.
Yes, I'm doing it again.
I'm doing it effect.
Buying dips to strong pivots is the way to go. Now today S&P is bumping against the overnight, which we know can be the start of a sell-off. We don't want to make the bet.
Not gonna lie, I think Matt did make a trade to probably hold like from like here to there, guessing because he usually takes that. And and I saw his stream. He showed like a yellow line MHP overnight right around here, I think, in the HP like right around here. I need to start trying overnight trades. I now can do it.
Sold 3 days in a row.
I can tell when the
This support they were bouncing it. You can see even the overnight, right? The market is trying to resist it.
I wonder why this doesn't show anything. Is this like a break?
Basically going to be. Are we above triple B? No. I'm missing something. We are below. We are below. As of yesterday, we secured a lower low.
All right, so we got a couple stuff today.
We go on, I believe next week, right?
This is all pre-market. This is pre-market. Yeah. So at 10, we have somebody speaking. 2-star Fed Waller speaks. This is. Let's see. All right, there's nothing really major.
I'm not going to get caught with my pants down on any potential rolling out of some of these AI plays into other plays. There's all this talk about, AI bubble is starting to scare some investors, and some firms are starting.
This could be a bit volatile, maybe. This is nothing because it's 1-star. This is a energy outlook at 12. 2-star. FOMC member speaks. I don't think those are major. I really don't notice them during trading.
Let's get those likes up, you guys. Don't forget to smash.
Fed Collins speaks at
initial giveaway process. starting a new songwriting competition somewhere in December around the holidays.
One,
It'll be fun. In
2,
our Discord, we have a song selection
3,
channel. Use AI. Write your favorite Rocket Scooter
14,
trade
13 is
theme
1.
songs.
I can't. I'm looking this up.
Anything special. It just has to be something that you like or that we like, whether it's funny, whether
4 p.m.
it's
Oh, so this is not even gonna matter. This is not gonna matter.
overall.
Oh wait, this is at 1. At 1, this could be
It's gonna be giveaway.
something major.
Depending on how many
This is
entries
3 star.
we get in our categories. But overall, it'd be a giveaway category. Like if you make a giveaway something like the spin.
U.S. Treasury notes have been maturities of 2 to 10 years. I'm pretty sure I already read this. Yeah, I did. I read this stuff.
And then
I
comment
really
funny songs like,
don't get this stuff.
you know, Slightly Fatter Matt or something. Don't remember that one. So the idea is the winners are gonna get, and winners of each category get free lifetime rocket scooter. The top 5 in every category
Might just be like
at least like a bunch of prop accounts. Like last time, first place got I think lifetime and like 3.
could
prop
just be one of
accounts.
these.
Third place got
All right, bro.
1 or something like that.
Why did it change my marker?
Everyone else in the top 16 got 1, so it was pretty cool. Takes about 30 seconds to write yourself an AI song.
Don't touch my marker. Anyways, could just be what I said yesterday. Could just be a
Look at the
little
overall beat if that's what you're seeing.
Neil Bigwick.
806 is also an impact red line on NASDAQ, which is kind of where that balance point is from the sell-off. We talk about these impact lines. We teach you how to do this in the actual.
I won't even probably be trading by one, so maybe I'll see it.
Point, red line, the whole technique that gives you that balance point there, and when you touch that red line, is always going to be high volume, as we see today. That red line was volume the minute you touch it. This is how good our calculation is. You do those red lines right on the money. There's that volume. So
Yep.
6, keep that in mind.
Not much.
Resistance pivot as well. Good old red lines. You guys know the drill there.
Good morning, Dela. I don't think much really happened yesterday. I think it was just wait, what was
So submit your
what
song
was
now. I'll be starting
9? So yeah, it looked like it sold,
made a music video
fell
together.
off,
We could have a music
and it filled
video
that.
category this year. If it's a hot topic, if you guys want to do music videos, we'll add one more category. Has to be feature length.
And it looked like it's going up again.
Not just a 10
I'm gonna try to fill this out today to like here.
You guys make some like full length videos, like the full length Knife Catchers Anonymous Broadway tune.
I don't want to look at that.
Then now we're talking.
Just want to see where is the. All right.
That's what I like. That's what I like. Okay, let's get everything prepped and ready to go.
22 minutes till market opens. Yay. Okay, that's not that far. That's like 100 points. That'd be the new. Okay. Looks like last night it did hit off it, but it was a resistant point, so sold. So this could be a resistant point. So we could the market could open. I don't know if it could. I don't know if like points like these are high enough pivot point where like the market tends to like resist. It will be a new it will take over the yesterday's high. But I don't know if that's only pre-market, because this happened in pre-market. Pre-market's usually slower. That's volume.
So I just went live with Tradeify. They're in the process of getting my application and everything filled out.
Alright, there, I'm back. Alright, this thing works? Yeah, it does. Oh yeah, this is what I use for trading right now. This I've cooked this account so much. I've started. Alright. Let me see if I can. Okay, this is where I started, and this is when I before Rocket Tutor, and I was using the strats I showed you guys yesterday. Trade. Okay, I'm up to 300. All right, good. Doing some couple of trades. Still doing my strat. I lose it apparently. Yeah, I lose. I lose it. And then yada. Losing, dropping. Holy cow. When did I lose this? I have no clue. I probably saw learn Rocket Scoot around here, but I had horrible risk management. I don't know what happened here. I was up 700. Oh, yeah. Wait, yeah.
So we didn't roll. So you can't just use like a standard roll. You have to use the rollover at expiration. That's the trick. Yeah. So how big is the account? This account?
It's kind of cooked, but I'm just going to keep trading it.
Oh, with Tradeify? Oh,
I'm trying to look at other accounts to see if I can get one.
not sure.
And just restart and actually try to get funded.
My cock small is now sponsored by Arby's. With a name like that, it should appear in all the commercials. You know what I mean? All right. Oh.
All right, back.
All right, you guys. Ready to wonder. The O line's correct. They should be. I did them all the other day. 892 NASDAQ. Yep. I like how the platform now remembers my drawings. It's really nice. Red line and yellow line is the illiquidity pivots class super awkward. If you go look at the titles of the videos, one of them will have it in it. It's towards the end. Which straight to fund is that I get? So Dan, I got the bigger ones when I did it, but let me look at those really quick. Let me see what the main difference is now. Like, let's look at them real quick. How much time do we have? 20 minutes? Okay, let's look at it. Let's see the difference in the value of all of them. You're gonna try out Tradeify. It's pretty solid. You know, it's not for big payouts. It's for, you know, base hits. These are paying me out $3,500 for the first payout every 5 trading days, and then $3,000 each payout after. And when I started doing this, the reason it took so long is it was 10 days to pay out, and now they've lowered it to 5, so it's kind of nice. All right, so let's do cost of drawdown, right? So let's see what they are. And with our code, it's like $500, the bigger one, but that's not necessarily, I think, needed. Let me see if the payouts are different. 5, 10, 6,000 divided by 510. So let's do 3750, the daily loss limit, because that's your scalability. That's a 7. 2,500 divided by 440. That's a 5. So they scale pretty nicely. The more expensive ones give you more value. Let's double check the smaller ones. 1250 divided by 56. Oops. 3.5, and then 2. Yeah, so the bigger one gives you the scalability is great. When you pay more, you're getting a lot more as far as daily loss limit goes. Let's double check, because this is what it was when I first bought them. That's why I tried to go for that. So 6,000 divided by 500 is 12. 4,000 divided by 440 is 9 ish. 2,000 divided by 350 is less than 6. Yeah, so the scalability is really good for both the drawdown and the loss limit. What I do is I just take the ratio of the drawdown you get for the cost you pay. This is the best value of all of them. So they actually do give you like better value the more expensive the account is. So then it just comes to what you want to pay for. Some of them, if you actually analyze them with other firms, you find out that there's like a sweet spot in the middle. And here, pretty much all the modes are the same. All the end of the day, all the rules are the same, and I think the payouts for the smaller ones are also the same. Let me see if the payouts any different. So we'll check the health center. Payout policies. So, okay, so the payouts scale even. Okay. So payout 1, okay, that's the goal. That's the goal. What's the payout you get? Payout tiers. Yeah, okay, this is another reason to do the expensive ones. So in reality, the decision is pretty simple, is how far you want to pay to get the better benefit. You get bigger payouts and bigger drawdown to cost ratio and bigger DLL to cost ratio. So the benefits almost like exponentially get better the more expensive they are. The cheaper they are, the smaller the tiers. I didn't have any problem.
All right, I'm back.
Building buffers in these bigger ones because you have.
If you're in the Rockster Discord, you should let people know you do live streams so more people can join. Right now, I'm gonna see if if like out of the 200 submissions, I'm in one of them, and if I, with this very small chance, like a very, very small chance of me, like Matt picking me, then like I could like stream the afternoon stream and I could tell people I stream in the morning. But if not, I could like, yeah, tell people in the Rockster Discord that I do stream. But I'm gonna go, I wanna ask Matt if I can like make like a video about Rocket Scooter or something. Instead of, or like make videos about it, because I don't want to like copy him off the boot camp, which is a paid. Yeah, I should do that.
You realize I have 19 streams of revenue. Most of them make money while I do nothing. This is the motive of my life. I actually enjoy trading.
Market's open in 12 minutes.
Can you sell NASDAQ 100? You can. What am I munching on?
I'm trying to get music. It's kind of quiet, you know?
You can sell NASDAQ 100, NASDAQ futures.
It doesn't work.
You can have NASDAQ options, NDX options. You can sell QQQ. When am I getting Lance for Christmas? Maybe I should mail him a version of the Garden Gnome. His own garden. If I make 19 streams of revenue, why do you have to take affiliate commissions off of warehouse workers making 17 an hour? Pretend you can make them profitable? Dang, that was harsh. Probably because I want to buy a couple more houses and an Aston Martin, and I got to scam a few more people, raise some money, I guess. Plus, I have to buy a lot of glasses. I'm blind from all the trading. Bro, honestly, I used to go to Chicago Bulls games and sit in the stands and yell at Michael Jordan for being a scammer for pumping Nike shoes out there when he's a famous basketball player. How dare he make an extra buck or two doing that? What a horrible human being, right? Selling basketball shoes to hopeful kids that are going to grow up and get on food stamps. Well, whatever. What a scammer. You know what I mean? Preaching education, you're out there preaching everybody you should be a basketball player, because that's the real goal in life. Horrible. It's the same fucking thing. Same thing. If you ask somebody that makes a lot of money why they want to make more money, then you just start to sound stupid. How dare Elon try to make rockets? How dare him? That was me at the game doing that. make as much money as you can while you can. Hey, I don't. Here's the thing, though. When it comes to affiliate commissions or whatever, that's the community choosing to give me a tip. I don't put out ads for prop firms, or I just possess a code because hundreds of thousands of people use it and give me a tip for whatever I do to help them. That's up to them. So if you come to this chat and you're making fun of 10,000 people, calling them losers and terrible and whatever you're all saying, because they decide to tip their waiter, well, that's on you, friend. Don't come in here and try to not make friends with everybody. These guys are pretty mean. You're mean to them. I don't make them do it.
Yeah and no. Risk management is its own thing. Rocket Scooter, like, which risk management is used. You can you could use Rocket Scooter, but like, wait, I was confusing myself. I'm getting confused. The risk management. I think you can use risk management for, like, it's not different for like every strategy. It could be for some, depending on what it is. But you can use risk management for many things. I think okay, why does that show up? I think teaching people risk management is good, but like, I don't know if it, like, people should like pay to learn that, you know? Like, what would, like, I feel like you can learn trading on YouTube for free, but like, you want to learn like really well, you probably have to pay some sort of money. And risk management could be that, like, but like, I feel like you could teach some people a little bit of risk management, but not like too much, like what you're saying.
I think people have been romanticize the idea of trading is that you're going to be a trader and only a trader, and you're going to make 20 million a year just trading. Right now,
but if I like was teaching Rocket Scooter and how to make people money, other people could get Rocket Scooter, but they could like blow their accounts and all that because they have bad risk management. So like, like, you gotta teach some people about it because they keep failing and failing.
Only 100 million, not billion. Now my idol is Lance, so I'm gonna mimic him. I'm gonna make $100 million, and I'm gonna sell courses on how to make $100 million selling courses. Do I want to die with money in the grave? Nope. I want to make hundreds of millions of dollars and change the world with it in some capacity. Similar to what Elon does, build things, create things, engineer things, just like I build Rocket Scooter and other things. Create things using science and math to better the world so that the warehouse workers have a safer place to work. One commission check at a time. Good thing I'm with an eye doc. My eyes will never go bad.
So what Matt has taught me in the boot camp is when you're he sets stop losses for some of his account, but instead of setting a stop loss, look at where you bought and see if you can scale where you bought. But eventually you're eventually gonna want to stop loss because you don't just want to keep like keep losing when you could instead of saying a stop loss for like here. somewhere around here. You buy one here. Buy one here. Instead of setting a stop loss around here, see if you can just wait for the market to come down to another point and buy more here, and that will move like your position to around the middle area. But eventually, if the market's gonna keep crashing, you're eventually just gonna want a stop loss. Like I would use a stop loss too. If the market crashed, I would kind of let it play out, you know, because sometimes the market tends to overshoot before go. But I would eventually have a stop loss. But I really haven't seen him teach much of a stop loss, only really scaling. That's what I've seen. I've only seen him recently. Wait, did my things crash? Okay. Recently, I've only seen him like, what is that? Only see him like using the scaling technique, but eventually he does get out.
Brine that bird up. Then I roast it to crisp up the skin. Then I cover it in foil and bake at the temp. And then in the pan, I put like all my vegetables. I do, you know, celery, onions, herbs, everything.
I don't know what his risk management is. I don't know what his like, if it's a 2-to-1 or but it's usually zone to zone, so it depends on the zone it's going. I don't know if he bases it off that. Usually he bases it off like points. So like if it drops 40 points, he buys here, he longs here, and it drops 40. This is where his stop would usually be. But if it's like by a zone, he would just probably hold. He'd probably hold down to the next zone and move his stop because it scales. He has shown what his stop losses are on stream, but I feel like he really doesn't use it. I feel like he just like once he sees like what's going on, he just gets out. But it does say he kind of sometimes sets a take profit too, but he more like just like goes in and just sees how it plays out. And if it goes his way, he'll manually get out. And if it goes the wrong way, he'll manually get out. Manually get out. Markets are opening in 2 minutes.
It's possible that we just get that blast off trade at the open. I don't know if I'm feeling it though. Red line Nasdaq, yellow line S&P. You guys know the drill there. Nothing big today. Okay. All right, so keep in mind we have red line Nasdaq, yellow line S&P. I'll just kind of draw that right here. We know how those illiquidity pivots can cause a lot of bounce. 806. ChatGPT chose randomly for me to trade in the random challenge today at 9:47.
So Matt's saying this is one of the. This is what you learn. This line right here is what you learn in boot camp. I kind of forget how he finds it and calculates it, but it's a high pivot point, which can move the market very fast. But don't trade off it. He says he hasn't found like you could, but 806. All right, let's see here. Res is positive, but looks like it could be a red candle. Could reverse. Might have half gap, waiting for liquidity to liquidity map to show, see what we're doing.
Not a flat
sp-
market, at least 20 points of gap on the S&P, which is good. Nasdaq is 130 points, so this is not a
Res is
flat market.
decent,
Resilience
but
is a telling sign of
looks like
something.
SPY res might be tanking a bit.
Nasdaq is
The
minus 20, S&P is
res
zero.
the res for Nas is going off and on
Howdy, howdy.
right now.
So negative res is a gap fill. Thank you.
257.
Here's
Well,
homemade bread right here. Ooh, that is hot.
might hit off half gap, but like it's not okay. 257.
Okay.
12
We might be selling off
75.
today, guys.
I'm not gonna hit half gap because res negative, and I'm it's like a B setup.
I was feeling it. Out of suspicion. Let's hit the S&P resilience stabilizes. Right here at half gap will be the bounce point if there is anything.
Could just be a sell off day today. Filling that gap of yesterday.
There is some request higher than zero. There would bounce here, possibly.
All right, the only major A plus setup would be bull zone to like just next zone basically, because there's not much.
EVB is the big boy band, yeah.
All right, we have one A open to next zone. That failed immediately, and HP to open, which is very far away. I'd have to drop a lot. So it might just be a day where you get out again.
Just like yesterday. Same trade.
Ugh.
All right. S&P is going to try to up negative res on S&P. Oh, that is really bad. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, this is.
Selling off today. I felt it. I felt it in my boneses. Let's see. S&P is going to fight here at half gap to hold. So there is anything, we are going to hold right here, if anything at all. Let's see. Minus 47 on that. Oh god, dude, I love resilience so much.
NQ Res is tanking right now, so just watch for that. 6891. Yep, really only A plus trades are so far down. They might not even come down.
Pretty good. They're at their home right now. Their other home here in the States. They'll be coming over today. You have a Let Her Die song? I don't know if we made songs to actually make the market die though. So Nasdaq, negative resilience, S&P, positive resilience, and barely. Now with positive resilience, S&P will usually try to hook the market higher.
It looks like it is trying to hold half gap, but res is negative for NQ. The only thing that would be good is ES.
Res might want to go there. Just keep an eye out on this white number right here.
It could just go up to SPY open and
Let's double check some
could go around here.
So, the random challenge I'm not allowed to trade until 11 minutes from now.
There's a DD band.
Nvidia has a bounce point at MHP. So keep an eye on Nvidia today. If Nvidia loses 272, the market's going to collapse. We have a full day of selling today, you guys.
HP is very close, kind of, to yes, but that is one of the B setups. So for some reason, 1B. Oh, that makes no sense. Unless it's.
I told y'all today, I had a suspicion that we were going to get a W, hopefully a good old W shape on the bigger run up. Like, I'd like to see this here. Gap at least.
Res is tanking on NQ still, and SPY is negative. Or ES is a negative. I keep saying SPY.
Selected one of the charts. So select the chart. And then you have to click the LM button for it to show up. See off to the right.
So
All right, so
I can't.
9 minutes to make a decision. All right, so what we're going to do first right here is it's going to try to test half gap. At best, it's going to bounce. If it bounces around here, which it might do, and doesn't break, it's going to shoot the close and it's going to overshoot. I mean, it's going to fall quick. If it doesn't test that half gap and reclaim, it'll fall very quick. So we're right on the edge. Some of the stocks, Tesla and others, are sitting here at bounce points. Hopefully, should hold the market up. Hopefully so. So now's the half gap juggle. S&P resilience is now negative, so we've lost that. Google breaking hedge pressure. Tesla breaking hedge. AMD's kind of all right.
All right, that's like out of the way.
Half gap as well. So let's keep an eye on Nvidia because
Bull zone is 6, 7, 12. At that. All right. Sorry guys, I'm setting something up.
Is not really optimized for mobile, so we never really put a lot of time into mobile yet.
All right. Looks like half gap did work on ES, just to spy open, just quick scalp if you took that trade. But you don't want to need to watch out for this yellow line because it could come up and hit right off that.
Why am I doing this random trading challenge? Because I've done everything else, right? Winning trading competitions, making millions as a trader. You know, what else am I gonna do? Going live with all the prop firms, just showing off how good I am, I guess. Cat is active? Not yet. Actually, the real goal is I eventually want to write a book on, well, 2 books. One of them is on the principles of what's behind hedge pressure, my Sum of Least Risk book, the math book I talked about. But then the other one is on the psychology and aspects of day trading that I think are important to traders, like risk management being one of them. This is to prove the risk management is great, and it's to prove how good Rockets at doing that. So, just to do something different. So I don't show my real trades, only the
This might just be another day of sitting out, unfortunately.
real $1,000 here. It's just for a month long. So if you're here for handouts or free trades, bro, like, you know, come on now.
No, I've not made a trade.
If you've been watching me for years,
I didn't think half gap failed at NQ, and I really didn't have high hopes for ES, but so I just sat out. I'm waiting for, if it does sell off the bull zone here, be a good trade take. Also DD band, and liquidity map does say SPY QQ open or ES open right here. The bear, I need to do HP right back either up to Q open. So it's huge, but I don't think it's gonna sell that much. It might hit bear zone. That's it. I mean bull zone. ES just hit off HP, just a small one. But it looks like ES is shooting up. We need to watch that yellow line because it can reverse.
So I can simulate what trades I would do, being that I'm not allowed to enter a trade for 6 more minutes. Today's setup with negative resilience is shorting to fill the gap. Like that's it, like right out the door to fill the gap. Normally what I would do would be long at the gap fill, but resilience is horrific. So there is no long at gap fill either.
Scream with a bunch of white lines.
A lot of sector rotation today, which is exactly what this drop is all about. Let's take a look at the sector.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Scream with a bunch of white lines.
Good eye on that. Let's see how things are panning out today. Everything is up at tech. How funny.
Screen with a bunch of white lines. Yeah, I don't know.
Big difference between Nasdaq and S&P. Oh, 100%. S&P is not as bad as Nasdaq. Right. But S&P's
Use it.
resilience is negative.
You
So
were
it's
on.
a short setup from here for S&P. 100% short setup from here.
Is it an image I showed you? Like one of those, like DD band or something? Image with white lines. I don't remember. I trying to remember. Oh.
Let's see. Negative res, the gap fill, yellow line rejection. resilience has to do with the support at the open and close, which is way up here. So it is basically, if you just answer your question, is that we have resistance here, but support here. That's the easiest way to think about it. And if you look at Rocksuiter platform, it actually tells you, with plain English, that the specific thing next to each of the levels, which is really nice about it.
Oh, the only major trades to take would just a short mostly. To try shorting this market. Looks like BS might come back for another half gap.
Basically, what it's telling you is that you have. Means all of this is resistance, but all of this is support. All right, those shorts are. I got short in a bunch of evals right here on that S&P trade. Just waited for that and took the short. Trying to pass as many of these evals as I can. Have them in stockpile for funded next in case they change their. Change their plans on us.
Oh.
Well, when will I be going back to real trades? These are real trades. What the hell are you guys talking about? You not see the account number and the balance up here?
Wait, is it
I'm thoroughly confused.
Is it this I think I still have it.
DD ratio is the strength of bull zone.
No, that's not it.
My chat doesn't troll me 24/7 now.
Is it this?
Once we won Pat's tournament, this chat just filled up with a bunch
line
of
chart.
a bunch of Pat's viewers. So chat got a little I hate to say it in a mean way. You know.
Almost looking like a line chart. Did I showed it yesterday? I could check it.
A lot of people that don't know what we do here, just trying to tune it in for the first time. Like, what's this? What's that? They're used to watching like prop traders just burn through hundreds of prop accounts all the time.
All right.
But if you want to see like some of the best technical executions you've ever seen, stick around.
I'm quickly checking yesterday's. No, it's part of the software. I don't know the name. I'm quickly checking.
Yep. I have to jump in 1 minute for the random trade. 1 minute. With resilience being the way that it is, and everything kind of being as funky as it is right now, I have to enter in 10 seconds.
Is it res? Is that what you're talking about? Resilience?
There we go. Let's hit it with the fourth spot for the gap fill in the S&P negative res. Let's go. Blue line is hedge pressure. It's a high volume pivot. So S&P on this one, 68.85 all the way down to 72 is a 13-point drop. I'd be willing to add to the short if we get the bounce, but I grabbed 4 S&P contracts. Very confident in this one. I had to wait until the time that ChatGPT chose for me to trade today. Just to show you guys a random challenge. Remember, I can choose long or short. The best guess I got with what's given to me, 944 to 959, and I was waiting for this bounce. I was kind of hoping that bounce would have been there earlier. But let's let it rip. I grabbed the short and a bunch of evals, so trying to get the max profit target on some of those guys. With the negative res, negative 60, negative 12, this market's probably it's rotating extremely hard today. Extremely hard. breaking through hedge pressure. Nvidia's got so much room to fall. We might
Looks
see
like another
another
bounce off half gap,
if they
possibly.
bounce point
That could just
here,
be like a
only here,
fake,
or
what do you call that?
stop 150 points lower.
I forget.
It is here and
Uh,
watch only
uh.
under these conditions.
But anyways, it could hit off half gap and like look like it's gonna go up, but it could just reverse. This is how the market gets
So
most
lower
people.
levels, so the algo actually
I'm still gonna
sets
wait.
apart
Could sell off another
support or resistance. It actually tells you. It doesn't
200
no
points. My word.
no guesswork with it at all. The algo is telling me the open today is resistance, the close yesterday is resistance, the halfway point is resistance. It's telling me this zone is support, this zone is support. So I've got huge resistance here and huge support here, and the market's spanning right to the middle of that. This white line is telling me the probability that we do fill the gap. So with S&P's resilience being negative, S&P is going to fill its gap right here. That's what we're looking for. This can turn out to be a humongous sell-off day today, guys. Like huge. Not just like mild, but like really big. Like 2 or 3 hours of just plunge.
Look at that. Oh man.
You know,
Oh boy. Dude. 28.14. All right, let me check that.
I'm so fucking good at this. I love it. All right.
20.
Candle here. All right. I just like to take profit on that. Okay, let me give you guys the P&L so far. The gap fill random challenge. Very good. In my funded next. Sorry about that. All those shorts just closed out. That was worth, I don't know, 20 something thousand. Easy peasy. Beautiful. Love it.
Oh, so you're talking about.
Profit on all of that. Are you trading?
Why isn't it showing?
Account challenge up $1,600 all the way down to gap fill. I'm looking for that. What I can do is just for fun.
Oh, okay. Is that? Wait, what in the world? What?
All of that since B plus and just hold one spot for the rest of the run. And I'm gonna sit back and enjoy my brekkie.
What in the world has happened to my chart? That is bugging. Yo, I'm getting like. Hold on, I need to refresh this. Hold up.
Spoiled guy. My 4 spot, I closed down to a 3 spot. Nasdaq hit overnight dynamic hedge pressure.
I think on the right.
Wouldn't
Oh,
provide any dips today. Not on this side.
I'm-
Not
yeah,
yet.
on the right.
I'd
So
let it go to D.
yeah, I'll try to see if I can get that again. I know what. I'll show you what that is.
But monthly res minus 42.
Yeah, open this IDR. Let me quickly get.
Wait for after London close. Julian, I 100% agree with you. London close is probably going to be the more
Mini.
like where that telling like reversal would be if there is one. I know I closed early on that big ass candle. I'm probably robbing myself for the rest of the move. But man, that was just such a solid run.
I don't know why it didn't show. Oh, here we go. All right. So what are you talking about? These? This is what you're talking about? These little thingies here.
You're looking for shorts with every pop. On a day like today, yeah,
They look like.
that's how I'm feeling. So I'm gonna cheat my own rules. As long as I
Yes.
stay
Okay.
engaged in the trade,
So what these are
and I can keep trading.
is
So as long as
you know how they're what I was talking about
and every time it pops, I can add
these bull zone and bear zones. Well, this just shows what Matt says is like is the monthly bear and bull map. So you can like see that today there's gonna be a bull zone here and a bear zone here. And if the market sells, there's gonna be another bear zone here. Tomorrow, if we open around here, it's gonna be a bull zone like the whole day. It's gonna go all the way up here and there. So this basically just tells you what the next day of bear and bull zones are gonna be. Because as you can see around here, this is today. There's a bull zone here.
Let's stop. And I can stay in
And
with
look,
the runner
look,
for the
we're in the bull zone. So that's what it is. It just shows like where the
according to the rules they made it up. Well,
the
tell me
next
how you
day
feel about
or
this
where
concept.
all the bull and bear zones are.
It's definitely still allowed.
The same for this. You can see
I'm not re-entering. I'm allowed to add. I'm allowed to trim. Remember, we all agreed on the rules, right?
like, I don't want to change that. No.
It's like if the risk is going against me, I can trim. If the trade is going with me, I can add.
This is just like a map
But where I enter, I
where
can
all
add
the
easy.
bear and bull
Risk
zones
management is adding and
are.
subtracting at the right spot. That is part of what I'm trying to prove.
Bear and bull zones, I
You never agreed to those rules?
think.
What rules do you agree to?
Yeah, it does give a heads up. I think this is only for futures. I don't think stocks have this. Like 90% sure stocks don't have this because like it's totally different. But yeah, it just shows you like if you look, just shows like what's gonna happen in the next week or so.
Lawyers in here? Hold on, I need a lawyer. Let's go.
But yeah, that's what it is.
All right, this is a binding contract. Where are my lawyers in chat? ChatGPT is not a lawyer.
All right, looks like
Let me know what
SPY
time it was.
closed. There's a small
How did it go
bounce,
yesterday?
but it looks like it's failing. NQ took
Let
a
me know what time it was.
big crash. I don't even know if it's gonna be safe to get a bull zone off here because the res is tanking.
An appendix or like an addendum or whatever. We've added to the rules. Okay. Random time, 15-minute intervals. I get to pick long or short. I can add at any point. I can trim at any point. But I must maintain one contract total. Minimum entry must be one contract, one mini contract. I'm not allowed to sit out if I don't like the setup or there's a catalyst.
I haven't taken any trades, but like
Target stop
I
loss
really
only
after Rocket Super, I really
which is
don't
740.
short that much because there's no
Whatever I
shorting
stop. So if I
pivots.
begin the trade, I'll say I'm taking a 60-point stop, then that's what I do.
There's a couple like
Never.
if
Never.
markets.
Add at any
Okay,
point.
why does it
Trim at any
keep
point.
switching
Exit
my
when you agree.
marker?
These are additional rules.
Stop doing that. I need to say this
Trade,
thing.
but must hold to full
What?
stop when red. I can't
Yellow.
close when red. So I'm
Nice.
losing the trade.
The market could come up here, but there's negative res,
Stop loss management's
and this is a pivot point against
even if I'm taking drawdown, I can
against the markets if it is
which basically means
below
I'm
0.5.
taking
So
profit target
this is
and I
below
pick
0.5. It is a way to short.
So the idea is
Usually you could short off of these three here, QQ close, QQ open, and half gap.
I lose my one, I can sell.
MHP
If I
is
make
another
it,
resistance point.
then I
Oh,
can
so
stop it.
yeah, technically
The
these
idea
could
is
be
just proving that risk management
all shorting spots if their res is negative. But right now HP res HP is negative, so that could be another
realize within 30 minutes.
resistance.
Exit the trade just to get out of the way. So if the market's just doing
But I like
this,
longing
I'm
instead.
not forced to just sit there if neither is happening. We exit, we re-roll the dice, find another time. After I
This
do
could
that,
be a short. The market could short off this way.
cool down before I can trade again.
This is the
Let's prevent
yesterday's low.
trade at
It could.
2:15, then 2:30, then 2:45. Like all
I used to trade doing this stuff, but who knows? Who knows how high up a pivot this is?
time between now and the end.
It could, but I've seen multiple times where you would short off this.
Like 4 or 5 trades in the last hour and one at the start of the day. So the 30-minute cooldown rule means that there's not a cluster
Is it hit?
at the end of the day, which is a stupid time to trade anyways.
What in the world?
None of the trades must be within the first hour. Stop loss consideration is always from the last entry, so is the profit target. So example, if I double down adding to a low,
Why did it change?
then that's where my new stop and new profit target is. So an example is if I longed here, market fell.
Not even close. Never mind.
I can't stop until that.
It's like
loss.
below bull. Never mind.
So gain my 10 and 40 from there and then close out before the first entry. So my last entry dictates the entry and exit to the trade.
Res says tank the most on NQ. ES is still negative, but not as bad as NQ.
What is the symbol to lose money? I need a lawyer. So I bought that dip on NQ. Now I'm still short. Still on the short. So the idea is if ChatGPT chooses a random trade, if I just were to get myself one-to-one trades and that was it, we won't be able to go anywhere. Part of how I'm going to leverage this is knowing when I'm wrong and then choosing to sit out, and knowing when I'm right and then hanging on to a
All right, there.
and allowing my
Yeah, this might be a huge selling day. There's like no bullish.
Platform $20, and it makes the boot camp free if you buy the platform.
I would watch Bullzone. I wouldn't go in immediately. There could be an overshoot. Remember, this is a liquidity pocket basically. But DD Ban is here. Market could go anywhere with the liquidity pocket, but there is a support on DD Ban and a resistance. Right now, DD Ban is above 0.5, so there wouldn't be any smart reason to short off it. Only long. That'd be like the only trade if bull fails. DD Ban. But the market could go straight through DD Ban. I've seen it. It could be like a little spike up and then just tank. HP, another trade to take. I feel like one of these should be able to push it up. But if these are both negative. It's negative 66 res on HP, so that's horrible to take. And negative on MHP, so it fail both. It doesn't change.
We would give everybody a discount because of something they're going through. Everybody always has something, and as much as I'd love to help everyone out with kids or veterans or seniors or whatever, then it would just be a permanent discount, which we do have, by the way, which is $40 off the total for everybody for life. That is your discount. So normally it's $200 a month, but we had a deal when we launched to make it $40 off every month for life and grandfather it in, so that when we raise prices later, you guys wouldn't raise prices. So that is your senior discount and your military discount. But awesome that you homeschool your kids, by the way, Kingdom. That's dope. That's cool as shit. Are you the Kingdom that's winning the tournament, by the way? That's you. Or not winning the tournament, but you're in like our top 10. Kingdom's in our top 10, by the way, in the tournament. Hell yeah. Bro, listen, how many of you guys in this group, I swear, of those 200 live accounts, I bet you we're going to get 50 of them. Easily. I'm so proud of you guys. And I'll be live at Tradeify. We'll all be live at Tradeify. How about that? It's pretty dope. So if you, at the end, sometimes this week, I'm going to finally get around to all my Discord messages. Send me a message in Discord with a picture of your ID and your student ID and proof of enrollment at your school, like a tuition bill or something that's current. And then I'll give you the instruction on how to go and get the student discount. Do I set up auto stop loss and TP and Tradeivate, or do I do it manually? I do everything manually. I've always done everything manually. Isn't the rule supposed to be no short MDD ratio above 0.5? So let me tell you about the rules, right? The rules are based on the probabilities.
Could be another trading setup where it hits you close and shorts. Retest. Looks like it's chopping for ES around spy close and half gap. Could be like this for a while, and looks like it's slowing down in Q2. You can see it's starting to slow down too. But I think. Wait. All right, so ES kind of filled the gap for yesterday. So that's why it's probably slowing down.
Just because we say don't do it, or it's not a trade, it's because the probability is just not strong.
Looks like everything's slowing down.
Another example is we used to have a short setup off of the BRSD hedge pressure and the BSD hedge pressure, just like that.
The volume looks low again too. Wait, is
a red line on both of those, right?
Is
came back that said that this was only a 60%
is it a weekly?
40% of the time it would break.
All right.
Even though 60% is still really good, it wasn't good enough. These are all 80s and 90s under ideal conditions. So it was 60, we actually got rid of it. It doesn't mean you can't do it. You're just more in the territory of coin flipping. But with proper R&R, you still can trade the pivot.
I thought it would be this. I thought it was gonna be like wondering if the Veterans Day was a weekly thing.
That it's a
Or
good short, but it is
no, it's not.
a more probable short than not. When shorting, I don't like to fight the bear market. If I do, it's very quick. Like it's just a quick in and out, and that's it. Do I use any stop? Yeah, I always use stop. I use 10 points S&P, 40 points NASDAQ, or the higher of that, or the largest 1 minute candle in the hour. So an example, today, the largest 1 minute candle was this one. 86 to 76 is 10 points. I would use a 10-point stop off of any pivot. What's up, F2? Where's Tradeify getting all this money from to give 200 people a live account for the competition? From the entry fees and the resets. You gotta imagine 20,000 people enter the contest. 20,000.
All right, is this the starting move up, or is this just another fake?
That's what, 700 grand?
Looks like ES
Joel says from thin air, LOL. I need to make you
is
model.
trying to move.
Hold on. I want to see your text in blue so that it pops out. Kaizen too when he gets in here. They're using the Fed's model, just printing money. Yeah, I mean the entry was free, and maybe some people went and bought accounts, or the entry was 35, or free if you bought an account. So when I met with the guys at Tradeify, they basically said, yeah, we're gonna lose money on this, but hopefully we'll make it back because they're not paying affiliate commissions or anything either. Like for when you guys sign up and pay your 35. No.
Another slow day.
Matt's exploiting his own rules. Hey, I wouldn't be mad if I wasn't bending the rules all the time. But technically speaking,
Ugh.
if I'm not allowed to enter while green, then I wouldn't be allowed to enter while red. It wouldn't make any sense. It would be a disadvantage.
Come on, just drop a bit more. I want to take a trade.
One runner just in case it keeps going, and we'll see what happens. Remember, I gotta bend the rules. That's the rule.
Yeah, I thought I was confused too by the volume, so that's why I checked if the Veterans Day was like a weekly thing or something, because like the volume just looks low. Like it's probably like yesterday, like around the 600 probably range.
And real estate's now selling. There's a lot of cycling, but financials and industrials and materials are really healthy, which are really strong.
This could just at this point
Brutally hammered because of the whole tech thing.
could fill the gap and then do a V. Who knows? This is not a bad day to tell what's really going on.
If you want to short from here.
But res is still negative.
That's why I don't want to short from here. That's why I'm just holding the runner just in case.
It looks like ES is doing well for negative res. Looks like it's gonna try to get SPY open again.
Mostly rotation, yeah. I would say that I don't think the market's going to crash out today. But Nasdaq is bad enough.
I wish it came down a bit more so I could see if bull zone would hit.
Rotation point is here. You can see that where the market just shifted from here. Nvidia bounced there. Apple should be at hedge pressure now. Yep, Meta should be at hedge pressure now. No, not Meta. Sorry, Microsoft. No, Microsoft's still below it. Tesla.
But it could. I don't know if this is because the volume is low, but it could just be
monthly resilience is negative, so you know
top way up.
It might be the catalyst that drops it further.
Just another chop day. Just another day to sit out.
High above triple B today on VIX. Why are we so above triple? Are we above? No, we're not above it. We're below still. So triple B is the contango midpoint, which allows you to know how sensitive the market's going to be to news and other events. Right here, being below it, Trump tweets and Powell commentary and stuff will be shrugged off. It won't cause a big collapse until VIX is above here, and then the market kind of makes a more defining move. Now today we've kind of hit that 542 yellow line near the bottom. That's this coming up right here. I'm still holding on to my runner short. It rolled over on TradingView. Yeah, but TradingView just rolled
This,
over.
if you're talking about this QQ zone,
Built into it. The proper
if I were to take a
and
trade,
you do it on the Tuesday before big sales expire.
if I were to take a trade, and what I'd look for is,
Will roll the wrong
if I really wanted to,
sometimes. Holidays will throw trading. It sucks.
I'd probably take a small short. Who knows? This
Don't
could
use
be
TradingView.
because res is negative. Everything's negative, but it looks like it's trying to move up.
We are above. No, we're not. We're not above.
But this could be
That's
a resistant to
not yet.
short. But what I'm really looking for is all my stuff is down here. This is what I'm all looking for. I'm looking for a bull zone, tap QQ close. That fails. DD band.
How's it calculated?
QQ close. That fails.
How to do it. So there's a number
HP and bear zone to bull zone.
market makers full risk on a position they take.
And if that fails too, MHP. So all my stuff is basically down here.
Nasdaq
Same
futures
for
is
ES.
1660.
HP spy close. That's actually on the liquidity map.
Verify is, dude, this is one of the coolest things ever. I
But there's
invented
not
this
really
thing.
anything I see
And what you'll see is whenever you have a
where to take a
solid
buy
trend,
at this
imbalance, and the
area.
market's just trucking along,
Like you could take
you guys might, if
a
y'all use
possible buy
then you probably do something similar.
on
Where they
a
go for value after
retest.
the market does this and keeps going.
But like the thing that's like
Anytime you have a consolidated phase that breaks
lowering my confidence is the res. The res is so low. Negative 60.
if you measure from the
Everything's like
moving
low to
high
take a
of the
long. It's
expansion,
like very
and you
sketchy.
draw the midpoint, as long as you never touch that midpoint, if you draw a distance from this start of this amount called the margin buffer limit, it creates a projection high that is 100% high volume pivot every time you touch it months into the future. As an example, this day in September the 5th created this line. And this line to like the near penny was resistance. When you touch it, it's high volume every time. It's almost witchcraft how exact that it is. Let me find some let me zoom in on some of them. I mean, these pivots are sharp. I'm talking like razor sharp. Look at this.
If I would buy,
It's just a high volume pivot that you can utilize.
if I had multiple accounts like what Matt does, he has like 5 accounts he trades. Yeah, I'd take one long off of QQ close, retest, just to Q open or half gap, just a small scalp. But I don't know. It's maybe I might just take one small. Probably like $50. All I'm risking for like 100. So like, just like a small trade off QQ close retest. I don't want to chase the long. I want to see a retest. But the res is just scaring me.
It's predictable even beyond all-time highs. Yeah, this is what some of the stuff
But it looks like it's
bounce, broke, hold,
It's
bounce.
going higher highs and lower lows right now.
Anytime you touch it, high volume, even overnight, right?
So it could,
This is me making fun of trend lines and doing a catalyst example.
if I take a trade here, it could
Anytime you
retest. It could take like an hour or so.
is predictable high volume to a T. Look,
Because volume is like
when the average is 3.
low and stuff.
8 times the volume just passing through this.
Yeah, if it does retest, maybe I'll just go in on a long. It's very small. A QQ close.
So good. Exactly on the penny. Rejection. It's exploiting something called the margin buffer limit. It's a CME thing. F2 says, give your watching scanner. Is it possible to build one for your own study? Now you can add custom studies to your platform, but I'm interested in having the scanner attached to your studies. This next year, all of our focus, as soon as we build the backtesting module here, all of our focus at RocketScooter is going to be to build Rocket Script on the front end with you guys, so that you'll be able to program your own studies into our platform and integrate them with the scanner and with our techniques, with like hedge pressures and whatever. So it'll be available in the scanner. That's 2026's challenge to get Rocket.
This could take. Oh man.
Granted, we don't merge
Or even like a high. Yeah, look, it's trying to fill each candle. Even for like, it would take a good maybe 20 minutes just for it to form and a maybe come down.
Itself and Tradester. So these are all irons in the fire where RocketScooter can merge with those entities. So, meaning that you would just use our stuff in their platform with all their tools and stuff. Overnight pivot, nice and long. Yeah, it was a pretty strong long pivot there.
Alright, looks like it's trying to move up. I'm gonna wait.
The yellow line technique is fantastic. It's called margin buffer limit. And again, let me show you how cool it is. Like the one that we're touching right now was calculated on September the 3rd. So September the 3rd, that's that distance from the table, and then that's the pivot. And I mean, it's just like, look at it today. You can see how crazy it was, right? When you touch it, exactly when you touch it, high volume. So what we're able to do is we're able to predict high volume extrapolating beyond the high. So at all-time highs, we'll be able to find volume pivots. It's a very cool technique. There's a lot of neat things that are happening there. Has a lot to do with market makers and hedging their positions and risk. But I've got breakout targets all the way up. So if the market rallies, it's almost like a framework of how it's going to rally. An example is if we break out, these are the pivots. And I keep track of all of them. The market will likely, if it breaks, it'll roll up to there. And that's usually where you start to see your dips. You see your dips along the way. So when I long, I exit each one of those targets.
For how I would actually take this is, I don't think this is a retest. Like, I don't think this is a retest where it has like one candle and it comes straight out of there. I used to think that was a retest, but like the more of a retest would be like, that's like a retest, not like a 2-candle retest. That doesn't give me enough confirmation. But holy cow, what is this candle?
Look at this. Look at this one. Look at this one right here.
All right, I guess that ain't gonna happen anymore. That just took like, let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That took 6 minutes to get up here, and at one candle just filled 6 minutes. Almost 6 minutes, more like 5. Still, it looks like 50-50
chance it breaks, but the time it goes against you is pretty violent.
Interesting. So that's what I did think. That's what I thought would happen. I thought this would be a resistant point to sell. You can see it. I thought I would. Yeah, I'm glad I did not chase this.
Ooh, my runner's taking off. Let's go, baby. Resilience is never wrong.
And it looks like SPY is failing too. All right, could this be the moment it comes down to bull? And let's just.
Sometimes late, sometimes delayed.
I don't know. The res is so bad.
Wait, what are y'all talking about, Pat? What happened? Everyone's talking about Pat right now. I wasn't reading chat.
Should be a good day for shorting.
Yeah, he just canceled his stream. Oh. Hey man, sometimes you gotta do that. Sometimes when the shit just gets to you, sometimes, man. Sometimes I'm just like, man, I'm done with this. I need to go out and touch grass. That's healthy. Nothing wrong with that. Sometimes I wish I'm like, if I wasn't here for you guys, I would just cancel the stream and be done. Some days I'm just like, fuck this. I just want to play video games all day or watch TV all day or be productive all day. It's probably smart that he did. If again, no matter how good you are as a trader, you're always gonna have days like that. I always tell people, if you're feeling anything, feeling tired, feeling hesitant, feeling shaken up, feeling rattled, walk away. Like cut the rope and walk away. Yeah, that's a sign of a seasoned trader that understands. We're all human.
All right.
Even at the peak of your career or whatever,
Am I?
you have days where you just don't want to mess.
If it comes down again, and this could
So if you're feeling a certain way,
be bought up again, or it could create another low.
worse than sitting there.
All right, I'll move these because like I don't think this matters that much anymore.
That's that's to keep you from doing something dumb when shit's not making sense to you. You guys is the lesson to learn from all of that. If you guys are feeling a certain way, market's not adding up or whatever, or you just kind of feel off, pull the plug, walk away. It's very smart. Very smart to do that. There's no shame in that. Admitting defeat and just coming back tomorrow. A trader is like a trapeze.
Have you taken any trades, Dela?
Laugh at a trader. You can't laugh at a trapeze artist.
Or are you just waiting?
Or balling. It's part of the game, right? The first thing you learn before you join the circus is how to fall without breaking your neck. Before you ever go out there and perform in front of a crowd. You practice tumbling, you practice whatever. So you fall the right way and you pull the plug. You survive. You're there to swing on the ropes another day.
Okay, bro.
I don't know.
What is here?
Can you be a mod?
Oh, there's some sort of like
Answering your question.
line here.
Can I be a mod? And I'm saying, can you be a mod? Can you hone the responsibilities?
There's something here. There's something that's really high resistant.
Holding the glove of power?
I didn't know that.
Banning infantile losers? With an iron fist ruling without mercy? Letting people know that you're
Interesting. I did not know that. That's why. That's why I just moved like that.
Ruthlessness without hesitation. Can you be the mod father? He presents a compelling argument, chat. Can he be a mod? He can. He's always here, never misses it. Am I longing this? Not with negative res.
Probably
No,
gonna
it is.
no having just back testing on.
Side.
Oh, you're back testing. Okay,
Some of my levels
trying out
here,
new things.
other stocks are just
Yeah, that's good. Trying to find an edge in the market.
that we flip-flopped a little bit, and now energy's pulling back, and energy is a significant
Probably
component.
gonna go soon. This is like
And losing
a
energy
horrible
is
day. I got like other stuff to do like school.
the merciless. Trade E, you've been asking all week. Wait. All right. Couple more. I don't know. Can you go to the bathroom? I'm being like the elementary school teacher. You've been asking all week. All right, Trade E. All right. All right. You're moderator, but your first job is to moderate Franco. Okay?
I'm homeschooled,
Trade E.
but I will. But I will be going to. I'm homeschooled, but I'm going to be. I'm going to.
You moderate Franco.
I'm gonna want to go to college, depending on how my years go out. Go to college to get it
I think we
become a
all-
millwright.
I'll have another like.
But if
routine
trading
for
works out,
trades.
like
All you do is just moderate
if
Franco,
if I can get myself out there, like to try to be like Matt,
That's a good question.
that's what I was like trying to aim for, reach a bunch of people and grow an audience. Maybe I'll stick to trading, but right now, trading's like
Moderation's not my
trying to
thing.
learn trading right now to make money so I can save for college.
Yeah, I think we should set up
It's like
boards system.
$2,000 a year,
I need lawyers. Where's Farina? We need some lawyers here.
um,
Contracts.
and to become a millwright, it's like you gotta be there. You gotta go to college for like 4 years, like a degree. Right now in Canada, I'm in Canada. Right now in Canada, if you go to a certain college, there's like a co-op thing where the government will get you a job. So right now, if you become a millwright or like a millwright or like an electrician, they'll put you in the system, or not. They'll put you in a system, and they'll send you to OPG, which is like a power plant. You'll go like, I've had family members that became a millwright and worked at power plants that are like really good money. They cover a lot of things, and yeah, it's pretty good stuff.
tell me he's offering an olive ranch.
I've been homeschooled. I've been homeschooled like my whole life. The only time I went to school was like a Montessori school.
My mind is
That was like for like uh
my time slot is
2 or 3 years.
Pretty much. But now we're interviewing candidates for the afternoon slot. So I'm gonna have two new
The only
streamers
person in my family went to school really was my brother. He went to a school.
expanding to a 24/7 empire. Well, pretty much we'll have Asian trading, Europe trading, everything. So by the same time next year, we will be a 24-hour stream on this channel. Might even be a new name on the channel. We don't know. I know it's day trading with Matt for branding and whatever, but we might have our own sort of 24-hour trading show. That's eventually the goal. That you do the Asian one. Yeah, we'll have auditions. Right now we're having auditions for the afternoon US sesh, and we're having auditions for the Asia sesh. One of these days, I'm just gonna adopt Red Candles and make him do it. He's building his own thing. By the way, super chat. Let me see what you guys have here. Some super chats today. Y'all donated something. Ro put in $5. My bad. Could we get an audio alert option when price is within a user selected price distance of an RS level? This is something alerts would be something.
I'm wondering if this line is an MHP line.
That, being a smaller company, is that we don't have endless resources to have
Could be.
multiple parallel projects going on. I'd love to do that, but right now we're in.
I don't know what else this line would be. It's not one of like these lines. But it's a line where you can take a trade off it. Res is still basically at the same spot.
Building our platform, alerts, bracket orders, things like that, reports. But our focus is really the technology in the platform.
Yeah, the thing is, like, my dad says it takes a while to become a profitable trader. Like Matt says, he's been trading for 15 years, and he became profitable after 5 years. So in 5 years, I'll be like 21. So if I'm trying to lock in on trading, because like the job market in Canada is so bad. It's so hard to get a job. There's like, my brother says there's like teenagers that have like applied for 500 jobs, and they're not hiring. What happens is teenagers try to apply for jobs, but immigrants buy these businesses, and they only hire other immigrants. They don't hire other races. Basically, it's very hard. One of my friends applied to like 40 jobs, and he couldn't get. He got one like 2 months ago. So it's, if I can lock in on trading, get profitable, and try to build an audience at the same time, man, that'd be great. I've tried many YouTube channels before. I have multiple YouTube channels that I've tried YouTube before, but this is a new niche I haven't tried yet. Finance, I guess you can say, kind of. I guess this is kind of like a finance thing. So I'm kind of like, ask Matt if I can make videos off Rocket Scooter, and I can always just do like shorts. There's so many, like, instead of me editing it by myself, I can just like use like those AI things that turn your live stream into shorts and just pick some of those. I want to see how this is gonna play out.
Very, very cool. How does it feel crossing 100K payouts? Is this your first big sort of like string of wins. Like, is this the biggest? I guess.
I've been trading for like
And if so, how does it feel? If this was like a goal of yours, or is this just like a normal win
almost
for you, or whatever?
maybe 2 years.
Curious how.
My dad showed me in 2023. And ever since, I've
How
basically
you feel about
been trading. But I took a small break
Are you feeling
for like a couple months because I would treat trading so real. Like every time I would trade, I would always think it's real money, and I would get like
so boot camp's like
depressed and like not wa- and like be so like upset if I lost like $20. I remember it. I'd be, but you learn over time. So I've learned to
Nasdaq will move up every $800.
how to control emotions when trading.
So S&P moves slower, means your losses are smaller per strike distance per contract. Also, the S&P has a more like a tighter bid-ask spread. See how the distance between bid and ask is only one tick. When you buy market order, you're going to lose $12.50 right off the top. Nasdaq's bid-ask spread, as you see, there's always like a gap or space. It's moving around really quick and flutters around a lot. But the Nasdaq's scaling is weird. So sometimes when you get in a Nasdaq trade, you're already upside down 20, 30, $50 because the space between bid and ask is much bigger. So statistically, like for like, you will perform worse in Nasdaq, all things being equal, than the S&P because your losses will be bigger per stop, per contract.
Thanks, man.
So
Yeah, I've seen like I've run of 2 years of trading. I have seen so many of those like Lambo influencer traders, and it's crazy how like they capture people, like, especially like I don't know if you heard, but there's this one dude that like blew up, TJR. That dude, his trading strategy like makes no sense. He's like one of those guys that flex their money that they sell our course. When I ran into Matt, he wasn't like one of those guys. It was very different. It's very hard to find one of those guys, and I want to try to be one of them. You know, I'll probably want to sell a course, but not one of those courses where it's like thousands of dollars, like an affordable course, like what Matt is.
You can find out if that's even real here. This counts the number of days and it tells you the correlation. Anything that's red is strong to the opposite side, so inverse. Anything that's green is strong to the non-inverse side. So directly proportional. Example is
Just chopping around here, my word.
this says S&P Z25 contract was a green day. Then YM was a green day as well, 98% of the time. Or maybe it's the other way around. It's basically saying they correlate. If this one's green, that one's green 98% of the time.
Yeah.
This is the independent axis.
He started trading during COVID,
So Nasdaq has a
and he used to trade those
over the last
he used to use those old trading platforms. So I always thought he was like, I don't know. I would always walk into his office and I'd be so confused what I'd be looking at.
in times of like
But
crisis.
it was nice that he showed me trading. I
3 days.
uh
Nasdaq and Dow
once I used to see him do it, I was always interested in what he was doing, and
here.
2 years later, I'm fascinated by it, and I don't feel tired of trading. I don't feel bored of trading.
How does
I find this fun.
line up over a short term? Well, let's
Well, yeah, without my dad showing me it, I wouldn't be doing this. I wouldn't be streaming or trading.
I'm blind. I can't see it. Here it is.
How did you find trading? Did you like randomly stumble across it on a video?
Would be just like completely non-correlated.
Did he start with Rocket Scooter? No, he found Rocket Scooter maybe about a year ago.
Slightly inverted correlation.
He-
Slightly.
I really don't know who he started watching. I think he watched
The indices go down.
I think he experimented with a lot of people, but he traded stocks. I think he started with stocks.
It's not really strongly correlated. So
Started with stocks and started trading futures.
over a short period of
But he's been
time,
trading for like 5 years, and he's way better than me. He's really good at trading.
yeah, so gold over a longer period of time is certainly stronger to go up when the index goes up. So you're like, okay, is that really a trend then? Well,
But he would
it goes up because everything goes up.
he would trade all day,
Dispel some of the theories
like
people have.
from morning to 4 p.m. all day.
So S&P and Nasdaq correlate roughly 100% of the time. The only time they don't correlate is going to be during earnings. Like there'll be a day when the S&P is red and the Nasdaq is green or whatever, because that day you had that one stock green and that one stock red that was just enough to tilt them over. That's where those 96s and 97s
Yeah, probably. I don't know what strategy he used though.
high amounts of sector rotation.
But I think he traded stocks just for maybe about
rarely do you see Nasdaq red. And
maybe like
it's usually
1 or 2 years before he started trading futures. But I really didn't know what strategy he used. I think he used something like a VWAP or something like that. A VWAP. Or like an EMA.
to have them do all the platform features.
Yeah, but stocks are like more easier, yeah, cleaner setups, because like it's not different compared to futures. You know how like it could be sometimes like very volatile and all that. Stocks could like bounce, like you can like random points because like earnings and stuff. But I feel like they would, yeah, definitely have more cleaner setups.
Appreciate everything you do, man. No time for world record if they bring up the live payouts by end of the year. Yeah, right. I know. That's my fear. It feels surreal, Stefan, to get your 100K. Bro, I'm extremely, dude, I'm so proud of you. I like hearing people like kind of get to a level where they feel that confidence is there, because I remember when I started getting there. It was surreal feeling. I was like, man, I can do this for a living. And I was like, holy crap. I went to school for 4 years to be an engineer, and I'm about to throw it all out the door. I'm fucking crazy, but I know I can do this. It was a surreal moment in my life, yeah, to realize I'm going to change careers. It's a good feeling, man. Mike Jamali is 300th in the competition. You've got 9,000 in profit. Number 200 is about 6,000 away. So I think to need to take a couple YOLO trades the next 2 days or what? No, Mike, for the competition, as long as you're in the top 200, that's, oh wait, you're 6,000 below it. You're not in the top 200, right? Okay, you're 302. You need to take, at 9,000, you have, again, this is paper trading, so those of you, I'm not giving investment advice. At 9,000, you need to make 6,000 away. That's
Oh shoot.
2 days or one really
Oh.
long day.
Well, thanks for watching. It's nice to
It's not the strong day, right?
nice to talk to people like you. Hope you have a good sleep. I'll probably end the stream soon though. But yeah, thanks for watching.
You need to find an A+ setup
Thanks for all the support too.
between now and when competition ends, or if you're on the edge of getting cut, like you're in the bottom 30%, and hit it with a mild position, because if you don't make it to 200, you're out, right? So your A+ setup would be like your big hitter. You need 6,000 contracts on 5. It's easy to make that. In Nasdaq, 40 points in Nasdaq is $4,000 already.
Alright, I'm just gonna probably end the stream here. There's not much going on. It's just chopping. I'm just gonna go. But thank you guys for watching. I'll be streaming tomorrow. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can wow, 7 views. I'm gonna see if I can ask Matt if I can make a video, because I will definitely make a video, see if I can make a video. But thank you guys for watching.